It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Hi, I'm Jordan Frazier, and today Javier from Payan Pool Service is here to answer the most common question you probably have about your pool, which is when is it time to drain it? So thanks for being in to answer this for me, Javier.
Thank you, Jordan. Yeah, that's actually one of the biggest questions that we get all the time when we take on new service. So really the answer is it depends, and it depends on a lot of different factors. One of them being total dissolved solids, the other one being calcium hardness. So total dissolved solids, or TDS, is an accumulation of all the solids that end up in the water, and that could be, from our water supply, it can be from suntan lotions, bather waste, all those things. And as the total dissolved solids get higher, the sanitizers don't work as well, and you can actually do damage to your plaster, those type of things. And so you want to keep an eye on it. So part of our testing process, we test for that. So we let our customers know, hey, your solids are getting above industry standards, and it may be time to drain it.
So this is the test kit we've got here, and this is all of the tools that you would use to find those total dissolved solids.
So part of our process, we test for an array of things, more than just the regular stuff. The other one is calcium hardness. So calcium hardness, San Diego used to be known for having really hard water.
Yes.
And it's actually changed. Now we actually have soft water, but over time that calcium does build up. And so in the San Diego County area, we have a hard time with hard water around the tile line.
Yeah.
And it's really tough to clean, and you want to keep your beautiful tile looking beautiful. So you have to really just keep an eye on those things. So part of our maintenance process is we check those things regularly, and then when it's time to drain the pool, we let you know.
Which is so important because water chemistry is a real expertise, which is why we rely on Payan Pool Service for that.
Definitely.
What happens if you advise a homeowner that their pool probably needs to be drained? What are the consequences of not following that advice?
So ultimately it's up to the homeowner to take our advice or not to take our advice. But today we have a lot of premium interior finishes that really have to, the water chemistry really has to be within limits. And as things get older and things get out of limits, we start seeing damage to plaster, like scaling of plaster or just fading of pigments, that type of stuff.
And we don't want to see any damage to that pool.
No.
So if you're advised to drain your pool, it might be time. So no matter what you have going on with your pool, the experts at Payan Pool can help you keep it sparkling all year long. Get started with Payan Pool Service today at 619-202-1153 or visit ApprovedHomePros.com. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe.
You'll have full access to see all our videos. From quick tips to full episodes, it's all at your disposal.
That's right. You'll get great information for all your home improvement projects, but even better, you'll have contact information on hand when you need some help.
All the trusted pros in our network are great resources to have. So hit the subscribe button below and check out more videos.